To be honest, I would rather be more interested in the purpose of Ramadan than the advantages of Ramadan. Because the Quran and the Sunnah do mention rewards for actions and ibadah, but they primarily mention the purposes. For example, the Quran says, وَقِيمُوا الصَّلَاةَ لِذِكْرِي, so establish the prayer so you may remember me. Similarly, about the Psalm, about the Ramadan fast, it says, لَعَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ, so that you may become more God conscious, more muttaqi, more pious. So this is in itself an advantage. On the other side, before we go further, I do not like to talk about the medical advantages, because I feel that let's not lose the spirit for a material benefit. Let's not get distracted. If medical science would not like you to fast, I wouldn't really care. Because when Allah has commanded me to fast, there must be advantages in it. Of course, there's a purpose to it, whether modern science understands it yet or not. So, the real advantage or the real purpose would be to get taqwa, to become pious, to become God conscious. Because the Prophet ﷺ also said that if a person does not give up falsehood, again in his psalm, then Allah has no need for his hunger or thirst. So the real thing, the primary thing, by going through the process of the fast, to become pious, to give up falsehood, to improve one's good, to make the nafsul lawama stronger, to make the nafs amara weaker, to give up or at least decrease one's bad habits. That should be the purpose, which will end up as the advantage. It should begin, the way you rate it is that you begin from the first of Ramadan and see that after 29 or 30 fasts, on first Shawwal, have we come up a bit? Have we given up some bad things? Have we made better things? Our habit, have we gone up somewhat? That would be the real advantage, the real purpose. So I hope that as Ramadan, all the Muslims, all of us, we end up as better Muslims, inshallah. And it should have barakah for all of us. And not only just for us, I also hope that it becomes a barakah in the form of guidance for our non-Muslims as well.
Ameen.